Have you ever paused to consider the origins of the computer networks we so heavily rely on today? The internet, Wi-Fi, even your local area network, all have fascinating origins rooted in the genius minds of their founders. Our story begins in the late 1950s, during the height of the Cold War, a time when the idea of a computer network was nothing more than a pipe dream. It was then that Paul Baran, an engineer at the Rand Corporation, planted the seed for what would later become the internet. He envisioned a network of computers that could withstand a nuclear attack, a concept he called distributed networking. Fast forward to the late 60s, and we find ourselves at the doorstep of the first ever computer network, ARPANET. This was a project funded by the Advanced Research Projects Agency, a part of the U.S. Department of Defense. The brainchild of Robert Taylor and Lawrence Roberts, ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. Now, let's turn the clock to the 70s, a decade which saw the birth of Ethernet, a technology that would revolutionize the way we connect computers. Robert Metcalfe, a researcher at Xerox PARC, developed Ethernet to link computers within a local area. It was a groundbreaking invention that laid the groundwork for the networks we use today. In the mid-80s, a new player entered the scene, Wi-Fi. Vic Hayes, often dubbed the father of Wi-Fi, led a team at NCR Corporation to develop a wireless networking standard. This technology, which we now know as Wi-Fi, would later become a staple in homes, offices, and public spaces around the globe. Finally, we arrive at the dawn of the internet age in the 90s. The World Wide Web, a system to access and share information across the internet, was born. Its creator, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, sought to create a more accessible and user-friendly internet. And so, with the invention of the World Wide Web, the internet as we know it was born. To recap, our journey through the evolution of computer networks began with Paul Baran's vision of distributed networking. It continued with the creation of ARPANET by Robert Taylor and Lawrence Roberts. Then Robert Metcalfe brought Ethernet into existence, followed by Vic Hayes' development of Wi-Fi. And finally, Tim Berners-Lee gave us the World Wide Web. Each of these innovations has left an indelible mark on our world, shaping the way we communicate, work, learn, and live. It's a testament to the ingenuity and vision of these founders that we can now effortlessly connect with people and information from every corner of the globe. So the next time you send an email, stream a video, or simply browse the web, remember the minds that made it all possible.